Alright guys, pay close attention. When you see how simple this is, you're going to lose your mind. This is how I trade gold, how I scalp gold, and how I get these sniper entries on gold. Okay? Very, very simple. And yes, these strategies do work with all different pairs, but for scalping sake and to make money fast, we're going to use these simple pairs. So for gold, how do I trade gold? Okay, well, we're always going to make sure we're going to look at the hourly, and we're going to always make sure that we're not going against anything, okay? This is where channels and everything come in handy. You're at the top of a channel. You want to look for sells because you know it's going to come down, okay? You're on some support on the hourly. You're looking for buys. Do you know what I'm saying? So look at this. We know we have some support right here, so we're going to look for buying opportunities. Not selling, but buying opportunities. But you're going to look at the hourly. Once you see what type of position we're in, and I'll even show you a really, better example, such as, let's just say, right here. Oh, you know what? Nope, I forgot to change it to the hourly. Oops. Okay. For example, gold is in a channel, right? Top's being hit, bottom's being hit, top's being hit, bottom's being hit. But right here, we see that we're at the bottom of a channel and we rejected it. So here's how we find our setups. Now we know here we're looking for long setups, not short, but long setups. We're going long. That means we're going for buys. Let's go to the 15 and see if we can find a setup within that, okay? We know we're at that channel. So now we're looking for Fibonacci setups. That's all it is. You're just running your Fibonacci, waiting for it to hit that gold zone. And it's literally that simple. Okay, I don't see any setups here really, but this is just an example of what you're doing on the hourly. So let's go through and let's look for setups on the 15-minute or 5-minute. I'm going to show you guys how accurate, but how simple this is. You see market structure just chilling. Market structure broke to the upside, breaking all of these highs and lows and making a new foundation. We draw our Fibonacci from that push. Check it out. Not only do we have a crossover of the moving averages, we see that bearish candle on the bottom, bullish on top. We also have a Fibonacci gold zone being tested. Very lightly, but it still hit it. You'd get in for a buy after you see that rejection. What happened after that? Boom. 80 pips on gold. 80 pips. Guys, it literally is this simple, and I'm going to show you guys more examples. Okay? Market structure. Broken to the downside. Look at these rejections right here. You also see crossover of the moving averages and confluence with these rejections. You would have been, you would have got in around here because the rejections. Yeah, you would have gone in drawback for like 15 pips, but eventually, look at this. 60 pips. Take profit. 2 smashed. Do you believe it's that simple? Because it really fucking is. And I'm going to show you guys more examples just to prove it to you how simple it is. And it's the same thing on the 5 minutes. Same setups. Look at this. Market structure being broken to the downside, right? Look at this. Oops. Look at these rejections here. Right in our golden zone, we see major rejections. What happened after we saw those rejections? Huge drop to the downside. Oh my God, I don't know what I just did, but okay, we're like way over here. Huge drop to the downside. Let's go look for some more setups. Always, guys, always check your hourly to make sure you're in confluence and you're not trading against trends or anything like that. Gold doesn't respect trends as much as the GBP pairs do, but it does respect support. It does respect resistance. Okay? Also, if you go on the hourly and you see a long position like this, but it's on the hourly, don't go looking for buys on the 15-minute. If this was the hourly right now and you saw this, Don't go looking for buys on the 15-minute in here in this area, because you know you're on a 1 hour short position. Okay, check this out. Market structure being broken to the downside right here. You're gonna go from that push to where it finally stopped and came back up, and then you're gonna wait for that rejection. Look at these major rejections in your zone. Not only that, you have the moving average crossover. 99 pip drop. That fucking easy. Literally that easy. Let's go look at some more examples. But guys, it's really that easy. It really is. Look at this. Market structure broke to the upside. Rejections near that gold zone. And what happened? Boom! 50 plus pips. Just skyrocketed. Rejected that zone over and over again. And not only that, look at this. You're also on some support that used to be resistance. Shot straight up. Guys, it's very easy. The main confluences you're going to look at is your moving average crossover as well as your fib zone on the lower time frames. Just make sure on the hourly you're looking for the right positions. It is literally that easy. I cannot believe how easy this shit is, but it is. This is how I trade gold. Okay? We're going to go on the hourly. Okay? We're on the hourly. What do we see here? We see support. Right? We see support here. We see this wick on some support. So now what? Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute and find that exact zone. Now that we know it respected that support line, we go on the 5-minute and we see if we can find a long position. Look at this. Look at this. Respected. Check our fibs. Look at that, guys. Gold zone being kissed off of a 1 hour support. Boom. Skyrocketed 130 pips. Are you kidding me? That's a minimum of $13. This is the 5-minute chart. This is happening fast. Within an hour this happened. An hour and 50 minutes and this is done. You're done. 130 pips in one trade. All I did was see that we were on some support on the hourly. Check my 5-minute or 15-minute for these Fibonacci positions. Wow. Are you kidding me? Is it really that easy? It's really that fucking easy. Okay? They're not hard to find. You're going to start to get familiar with what they look like. That was not one. But you're going to get familiar with what they look like, and it's going to become very easy to you. Okay? So, the best thing you can do with this on gold is back test, practice, see what you can see, go look for these long positions. I think I showed you guys this one. This is the 5-minute. So we have a push here to the upside. Okay? A really fat rejection near our zone. And then what happened after that rejection if you would have got in here? 70 pips. Easy. So easy that it should not even be legal. Back test. Practice this. I'll see you guys in the GBP area.